Hey, what's up guys and welcome to McJam 2022, a contest in which you have to make a scratch game on the theme announced in the given time period. The jam will start on 25th of November and will end on 4th December, which is exactly 10 days. The theme will be announced exactly when the jam starts, and that is on 25th November. Just wait for the theme announcement video, and once it is out, you can start making your game. If you want, you can record your progress and make a YouTube video about it. Here's an example.
I participated in the GMTK Game Jam. The topic was roll the dice, and I didn't know it was happening until yesterday. So here's my 24-hour Game Jam game within. The idea is rhythm game without the rhythm and with rolling dice.
Once the jam ends, me and a few reviewers will review your games and based on that, pick the top 5 projects. And then I'll put a poll in the community tab for you guys to vote. The voting time period will be a week and the creator of the game with the highest amount of votes will become the winner. And the prize for the winner will be $25 Amazon gift card. The winner can redeem it and buy anything worth $25 on Amazon. And if you think you are not gonna win just because you are new, just join to become a better scratcher. Experience the fun and pressure of making a game in limited time, and I'm sure you will learn something new and useful. Also make sure you join our Discord server for sharing ideas, getting help and more. Shout out to Rise #7837 on Discord for making this awesome poster. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching.